Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that one of the most underrated vegetables sitting in your grocery store is actually a powerhouse of health benefits, capable of boosting your energy, supporting your heart, and even enhancing your brain function? No, it's not some exotic superfood from a faraway land. It's the humble, deep red beet. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be looking at this root vegetable in a whole new light. So let's get right into it. What makes beets so special? Well, it all starts with their incredible nutrient profile. Beets are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about folate, which is crucial for cell growth, and function, manganese, important for bone formation and metabolism, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. They're also a great source of dietary fiber, which is fantastic for your digestive health. Imagine all that goodness packed into one low-calorie vegetable. It's like nature's own multivitamin. Now let's talk about the star player in beets, dietary nitrates. When you eat beets, your body converts these nitrates into a molecule called nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is a huge deal for your body. It acts as a vasodilator, which is a fancy way of saying it helps relax and widen your blood vessels. Why is this important? Because wider blood vessels mean better blood flow. This improved circulation allows more oxygen and nutrients to travel throughout your body, from your heart to your brain to your muscles. This brings us to one of the most well-researched benefits of beets, their impact on blood pressure. Numerous studies have shown that consuming beets or beet juice can lead to a significant, albeit temporary, reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Think of your blood vessels like highways. Nitric oxide helps to clear up the traffic jams, allowing everything to flow smoothly. For anyone looking to support their cardiovascular health through diet, incorporating beets is a simple and effective strategy. Of course, it's not a replacement for medical advice or medication, but it's a powerful tool in your wellness toolkit. Are you an athlete or someone who just wants a little extra push during your workouts? Beets might be your new best friend. Remember that nitric oxide we talked about? By improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles, it can enhance your physical performance. Studies have shown that drinking beet juice before exercise can increase stamina and endurance, allowing people to work out for longer. It can also improve muscle power output and reduce the amount of oxygen your body needs during exercise, making your workouts feel less strenuous. So next time you're heading to the gym, consider a beet-based pre-workout snack. But the benefits don't stop at the gym. Your brain loves beets too. The improved blood flow we've been discussing extends all the way to your noggin. As we age, blood flow to certain areas of the brain can decrease, which may contribute to cognitive decline. The nitrates in beets help boost blood flow to the frontal lobe, the area of the brain associated with high-level thinking, like decision-making and working memory. So eating beets is literally like feeding your brain what it needs to stay sharp and focused. Let's also touch on inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many long-term health issues. Beets contain pigments called betalains, which are responsible for their vibrant red and yellow colors. These betalains have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties. By helping to combat inflammation in the body, beets can play a role in protecting your cells from damage and supporting your overall long-term health. It's an internal defense system, courtesy of this amazing vegetable. Okay, now it's time for one of my favorite segments, Myth versus Fact. Let's tackle some common ideas about beet juice. Myth number 1. Beet juice is just sugary water with no real benefits. The fact is, while beet juice does contain natural sugars, it's far from empty calories. As we've discussed, it's a concentrated source of nitrates, antioxidants, and vitamins that provide tangible health benefits, from lowering blood pressure to boosting athletic performance. The key is moderation, just like with any fruit juice. Myth number 2. You have to drink beet juice to get the benefits. Eating whole beets isn't as good. Here is the fact. This is a big one. While beet juice provides a concentrated dose of nitrates, eating whole beets is fantastic too. When you eat the whole vegetable, you get the added benefit of all that wonderful dietary fiber, which is essential for gut health, blood sugar regulation, and feeling full. Both are great options. The best choice depends on your personal preference and health goals. If you want a quick nitrate hit before a workout, juice might be convenient. For a balanced meal, roasted or steamed beets are perfect. So how can you easily add more beets to your diet? It's simpler than you think. You can roast them with a little olive oil and herbs until they're tender and sweet. You can shred them raw into salads for a crunchy, colorful addition. Blending them into smoothies is another great option. They pair surprisingly well with berries and ginger. And don't forget about pickled beets, a classic tangy treat. You can even find beet powder to add to shakes or oatmeal. Don't throw away the leafy greens either. Beet greens are edible and packed with nutrients, similar to spinach or Swiss chard. You can sauté them with some garlic for a delicious side dish. So there you have it, the incredible, versatile, and oh-so-good-for-you beet. From supporting your heart and brain to boosting your energy levels, this vibrant root vegetable has certainly earned its superfood status. It's proof that sometimes the most powerful health tools are the simplest, most natural ones. What's your favorite way to eat beets? Let me know down in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more deep dives into the science of healthy living. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.